Alright guys, welcome to the video where I show you how to change your thumbstick on a PS5 controller. I ordered this online. It had 4 pieces of this, and here are 3 pieces, and here is 4. This is the old one. Alright, let's start the video and let me show you how you can do it. Very easy, right? First of all, take your controller in your hand, flip your controller, alright, and you'll see this just with your nails. I don't have that much nails, but I'll try. Just with your nails, push them, insert your nail here and push it. Since it was hard for me to pull it out with my nails because I got small nails, and I guess I got weak nails because it goes like this, so I'll take this and be sure not to scratch the controller. I'll insert it and push it like this. But if you got nails, this comes pretty easy, bro. This comes pretty easy. You don't have to apply that much force, and just pull this. It will come off just like that, quick and easy. And if you look here, you will see a screw. All I have to do is unscrew this, unscrew the screw just like this. Put the screws right here, like that. And you see these bumpers, you also take these out by your, you can do this with this screwdriver. Comes pretty easily, right? And after you open those yellow 1 and R1 bumpers, you'll see 2 more screws right here. All you have to do is just unscrew these as well. Alright, unscrew these as well. Put the screw right there. Alright, then all you gotta do is just put pressure right there, right here. Just put a little pressure all around and try to, be sure you have these locks, these plastic locks here. You have to just push it outward, push these locks outward, so it's not connected, so the lock is not connected. That's it. And all you have to do now is just separate this housing. Apply a little force if you want to, but not too much. It will eventually come out. Yep, now it's come out. You'll see the battery right here, and you see the battery wire right here. Plug out the wire, put the battery aside, and this is a battery plate. We got a screw right there. Alright, here you unscrew the battery plate. You just need a screwdriver which matches the screw size. That's it. That's all you need. And this will come off, and here is the connector for this plate, battery plate. Okay, you disconnect the connector. Now the battery plate is free. Put it right here, and if you just look, use your eyes and brains. If you just look, don't get confused. This is not rocket science. This is very simple. If you just look, there's this one connector. Motherboard is connected with this wire here. Plug out that wire, and another wire here. Plug out that too. Another here. Plug out that too, and another small one here. Plug out that too. If you plug out all the wires, they're in their place, so they won't go anywhere. Now all you have to do is take out the motherboard, because now the motherboard is free, right? Just put upward pressure from here like this. Don't be afraid, you're not going to break it. Just gently put upward pressure and it will come up like this. Alright, you're gonna see your thumbstick here. It's very easy, you just pull it out. It doesn't even take that much force. Just pull this stick out. This is the old one, and put the new one back in. Find that spot where it inserts. Alright, and then just do it like this. Click it so that it goes all the way in, and when putting the motherboard back in, make sure these wires are outside like this, because you don't want this wire to get trapped in between the motherboard and the housing. Do it like this, okay? And just put it back in just like how you took it out. That's it. And give it a little push, it goes in place automatically. Then connect the wire. This wire too. Same here. And same here as well. Then take this plate, place it right there like that, and take this wire from the plate. This is the microphone wire, and plug it in right there. Make sure this doesn't fall off. Even if it falls off, you can easily insert it back in. This can fall off, by the way. So this is very simple. This is like, come on, this is absolutely nothing. This is absolutely nothing. And you screw back in, screw the battery plate in its place, nice and tight, not too tight. Don't put too much force in there, because these are small things and they don't have to hold that much weight, so you don't have to fucking tight them all the way. And you just plug the battery wire just like this. Alright, put the battery in place. This makes you give it a little check. These wires are good, these wires are good, your wire is good, 4 of them wires are good, 5 of them wires are good. Now you're all good. You also change your thumbstick already. So all you have to do is now put the cover back in, just like this. You gotta put the cover back in. Alright, don't panic. I'm a pretty impatient guy, and I like to get but don't be impatient. Be patient, and be patient, be careful while putting things back in. Alright, you might break stuff, who knows, anything can happen. I think I just messed this up, because yeah, not really messing it up, but shit. I'm giving you the method here, okay? I'm dropping things and all that, but I'm just showing you how it's done. This battery just comes out like that, man. It's crazy. Maybe you just put this. Alright, what you do is, don't do it like how I did it a while ago. Okay, just be patient. That's why being patient is very important. Alright, being patient and calm. Just think, take this and do in inclined way, right? Like this. like this. Look how easy it goes in place. All you have to do is press it now. Bam, bam. Right, press it and it's all in the place now. Now it's pretty easy. You take the screw, take this screw, then screw them back in. Again, you don't have to screw them tight. Just screw them and leave. You don't have to be super tight, okay? Same here on this side. On this side as well. After it's done, let's take this R1. Oh shit. And just place it like that and push it. You're done. You just have to push. Insert it and push it. Done. And this is the last part now. All you have to do is just go inclined like this. Give it a little forward push. They pop up, that they click like that. If you give forward push, the pat pat, that sound, click sound will come. And then you again click here, click here, click here, click here, click here, and click here. You're done. You just change thumbsticks on your PS5 controller and now it's good. Now you're good to go. Thanks for watching this video. Like and sub, baby. Let's go.